Right, so I've been fasting, I want to say for about 7-ish years now, on and off. And initially I used it to kind of drop the last 10 pounds, which I really dislike that saying now, but that was my goal at the time. And it worked really, really well. Nowadays I use it more from a health perspective. I find that it gives a lot of mental clarity and it kind of lets your body reset. So a lot of the times we eat, we don't burn what we've eaten, and then we eat again and kind of try for those 3-hour windows. And the truth is your body doesn't need all of that fuel unless you are using all of that fuel. So making use of intermittent fasting gives your body a chance to use what it's stored up and taken in and then refuel when you need it. So there's that aspect, which ties into weight loss too, because that can be a powerful weight loss motivator. For me personally, I love the mental clarity. So I find your first couple of fasts are super tough. They're not easy at all. You do kind of get into the swing of things, but I find when I am in a fasted state, I'm able to focus more now. I'm able to prioritize more, and the reminder that you don't need to eat every 20 minutes is also kind of a nice little boost.